Welcome to English Vocabulary, your go-to channel for mastering new words for IELTS, TOEFL, GRA, GMAT, everyday conversations, and more. Join us in each video to enhance your English vocabulary and communication skills, making learning fun and effective. Let's get started. My family.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Emily, I'm 25 years old, and I work as a graphic designer. Today, I'm going to introduce you to my family. This is a great way to practice your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started. This is my family. Let me tell you a little about each member. First, we have my mom, Jane. She is a teacher and loves to give lectures about history. Her lectures are always brief, but very interesting. She has a wonderful way of making historical concepts come alive. Next is my dad, John. He is an engineer, and his job often requires him to analyze data and solve complex problems. He's always looking for new methods to make things work better. I have two siblings. My brother, Mark, is a college student. He is very capable and often helps me with my homework. He's great at breaking down complex problems into simple steps. And my sister Lisa is in high school. She loves to read and is always up to date with the latest trends in fashion. She has a keen eye for style and loves experimenting with new looks. We also have a dog named Max. He is very much a part of our family. Taking care of Max involves a lot of responsibility, but we all love him very much. He's always there to cheer us up and make us laugh. As a family, we enjoy doing various activities together. For instance, we often go hiking on weekends. It's a great way to consume energy and stay healthy. Despite our busy schedules, we always make time for family outings. These moments are precious to us and help us stay connected. So, that's my family. Each member is unique and special in their own way. Talking about your family is a wonderful way to practice your English. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English learning tips and stories. See you next time. Bye.
Now that you've enjoyed the story, let's dive into the vocabulary we use today. In this section, we'll go over the descriptions and example sentences for each new word to help you understand and remember them better. Let's get started. Concept, an abstract idea or general notion. Example, the concept of time travel has fascinated people for centuries. Lecture, a long speech about one topic that teaches, especially in a classroom. To give a long speech about a topic when trying to teach example. The professor's lecture on ancient history was very informative. Brief, short in time, not length. Example, she gave a brief summary of the meeting. Analyze, to try to understand something better by closely looking at its details. Example, we need to analyze the survey results before making a decision. Trend, the direction or way in which something is changing. Example, there is a growing trend towards remote work. Require, to need for a specific purpose. To set as the minimum example. The job requires a minimum of 2 years of experience. Capable, able to do something. Example, she is capable of handling difficult situations with ease. Method, how to do something. A process. Example, he explained the method he used to solve the problem. Involve, to include, to have as a part. Example, the project will involve several different departments. Consume, to eat, to use up, a resource. Example, athletes need to consume a lot of protein to build muscle. Great job. Now that we've gone through all the new vocabulary words and example sentences, it's time to test your knowledge. Let's move on to a quick quiz. We've prepared a set of multiple choice questions for you to practice what you've learned. Choose the right answers, and you can find the answer key in the description section below. Ready? Let's begin. Thank you for watching today's episode of English Vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed learning new words and phrases to boost your English skills for IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, or everyday use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. If you have specific vocabulary you want to learn, share your list with us in the comments below. Your suggestions help us create content that's tailored just for you. See you next time.